50 years ago this week, 2001, A Space Odyssey captured the nation's imagination with the scientifically accurate vision of space travel. Now a new Smithsonian exhibit celebrating the anniversary aims to make visitors think about our place in the universe. Chris Van Cleves gives us a first look from the National Air and Space Museum in Washington.
Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
Before the world watched live as Neil Armstrong took that one small step.
It's one small step for man.
Director Stanley Kubrick and writer Arthur C. Clarke captured the nation's imagination with their groundbreaking film 2001: A Space Odyssey. While it earned mixed reviews, the film gained a cult following, even if the ending left many baffled. When you walked in here the first time, what struck you?
One of the things is the character of the lighting in the room. It reflects an approach that Kubrick took to usually build in the lighting into the sets themselves.
Martin Collins is the curator of the Smithsonian's Air and Space Museum exhibit celebrating the film's 50th anniversary. It includes this recreation of the iconic hotel room from the scene, intended to make you think.
Are we alone in the universe? And if we encounter extraterrestrial life, how might that experience change us as well?
A new book from author Michael Benson, published by Simon & Schuster, a division of CBS, looks at the 4-year production of the film.
We're still talking about 2001 50 years later because, for one thing, the film deals with 4 million years of human evolution.
A year after 2001: A Space Odyssey became a blockbuster, Arthur C. Clarke appeared on CBS News alongside Walter Cronkite to cover the launch of Apollo 11.
I didn't imagine it would be in my lifetime.
Clarke, whose collection of works is now archived at the Smithsonian, said he was already thinking about travel to Mars and beyond. But Cronkite wanted an answer to the question on everyone's mind, asking Clarke to explain the ending of the movie.
Would you like to tell me what that's all about? No, we won't.
I don't think we have time.
50 years later, the debate about the ending is still going, and the movie still resonates with its artificial intelligence theme. The exhibit opens Sunday. It is free, but if you want to avoid the line, you'll want a timed ticket. Chris Van Cleave, CBS News, Washington.